Hi, Errol, Lee, and Tommy. How are you? I'm Christina with Line Leads Digital. I ran doing some research in the area, and I ran across your website, and I decided to send you over a quick video to show you how you can rank higher and also get way more customers in the door. So I know how it is having several businesses in the past myself, trying to keep consistent customers in the door. So I'm here to bring some peace in that aspect. So I want to go ahead and get straight into it. I have 3 things that I want to share with you. They are content, citations, and links. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content, and content is everything that you see here highlighted. It is the words, it's the pictures, and it's also the words behind the pictures. So it seems that you have about 700 to 800 words on your page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on your page. And on your back pages, which are the services pages, Google likes to see at least 500 to 750 words on your back pages. So I would get the content up with more words, and not just any words, but keyword rich content. So whatever that your prospective clients are searching for, you would want to put that into your homepage and in your back pages more. Also, another aspect of content and how Google identifies and ranks you higher is the pictures that are behind the words. So let's just take a look at how this is saved residential, and I'm assuming this is saved as commercial. Okay, so these pictures, they are saved okay, but it's better to have them saved as keywords, as in roof repair Raleigh, or roofing Raleigh, or whatever keywords that you find more conducive to your business. But definitely have the picture saved as keywords, and also getting more content on your page. So that is what I want to share with you about the content on your page. The next thing we're going to talk about is citations. So what we're going to do is I am going to put a keyword term in that is very relevant to your business, and it is Raleigh NC roofing. So what I wanted to share with you is, first I'm going to take a look at the ad section. This is the ad section. So one thing about the ad section is there are a lot of people that have ad blockers installed on their web browsers. So there's a lot of people that miss the advertisements. Another thing is a lot of people just skim right through the advertisements because you know how it is. Sometimes there's a lot of people that just do not pay attention to them. But so that's one thing that I wanted to share with you about advertisements. They're good to use, but definitely they're good supplemental, not as the whole piece of the pie for your marketing plan. So that is what I want to share with you about that. Let's go ahead and get right into the next thing, which is citations. And that brings us to our map section. So in the map section, as you can see, there are several businesses here, and they're in a good place because they're getting clicked on a lot. When a lot of customers, when they first see the first businesses, they go ahead and click on them right away. So I know you're probably asking, how can I rank higher in the map section? It's all about citations. So citations are essentially name, address, and phone number. So those are citations, and putting those citations around the web in different directories like Yelp or Facebook, that'll help you rank higher. So you want to get what your competition is getting when it comes to citations, and even more. So that is a little tip on how to rank higher in citations. And then we're going to move on to the organic search section, and that brings us to our next section, which is backlinks. So that is the next thing I wanted to share with you. The third thing, this is the organic search section. So this is the first page of Google, and of course it's just ideal being on the first page because the companies that are on the first page, this is where they're getting most of their clients, is by being on the first page, and I'm going to show you a little insight into that in a second. So let's take a look at your backlinks. This is your backlink profile, and this is a little tool that I use, Ahrefs. It's great. It's a few $100s a month, but it is very useful in determining where you're at and and what you have going on with your website. So as you can see, you have 35 backlinks and 6 referring domains, and organically you're bringing in about 6 clicks a month. So 6 prospective clients are clicking on your website a month, just from the organic search. So I just want to give you a little insight into your keywords and how they are ranking. So this is the keyword area, and as you can see, Roofing Raleigh NC is a good keyword term, and 100 people search this exact keyword term approximately every month. So you're not getting any of that traffic because you're at number 18 in the Google search. So that is something that you can improve on and get way more customers in. Residential Roofing Raleigh, that's another one. Roofing Raleigh, that's 90 people that are searching for that every month approximately, and you're not getting any of that traffic. And it keeps going. Raleigh NC, Roofing Raleigh Roofing. There's a lot of different keyword terms that can be used that you're not capitalizing on at this moment, and missing out on quite a bit of potential clients. Roof replacement, roofers in Raleigh. So just wanted to give you a little insight into where you're at right now currently with your keyword terms, and then I want to show you a little bit into your competition's keyword terms and backlink profile. So as you can see, they have 184 backlinks and 33 referring domains. So it's good to have more backlinks and more referring domains. And backlinks are just links to other websites that are, basically links to other websites, and it's not all about the quantity. Sorry, it's more about the quality of backlinks. So getting good, high quality backlinks will help you rank higher on Google. And because they are utilizing these techniques and more, they are getting in 682 prospective clients to their website a month just off of their organic search. So just off the organic search is how much they're bringing in, which you can imagine is a lot of business. And then I'm going to give you some insight into their keywords and what they are bringing in from those keywords. And let's see, Raleigh Roofer, this is getting approximately 300 people every month that are searching for that exact term, and they are getting 45 of that because they are on the first page. Number 3, Roofing Companies in Raleigh, they are getting 42 potential clients from that keyword term, because in the second position, Roofing Raleigh NC. So as you can see, they're getting a lot of potential clients from just these keyword terms and ranking on the first page of them. So this is just good insight and showing you what you're missing out of by not being on the first page of Google, and a few tips on what you can do to get there and start on your journey. So that is all I wanted to share with you for today, and I hope that these will be useful for you and help you get to where you want to be and achieve your goals with your business. So if there is anything that you want to know more in depth, or you want to ask me and my team, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're more than happy to help. We have much experience in this field, and we can do it perfectly. We can implement these services perfectly for you, for your business. So that is all that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for listening, and I hope this was very helpful for you. Alrighty, so you have a great rest of your day. Bye.